My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Skoda Scala. This vehicle has done just over 22,000 miles. It has a petrol fuel type and a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have assist and automatic headlights. On the first page of our screen, we can access our key features, which include navigation, driver assist, media and smart link. On the second page we have images and settings, air conditioning and shop, and on our final page our service campaigns. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.